The BBD proudly believes that higher education is not just a path to success, it's a gateway to a better tomorrow. By investing in knowledge today, we cultivate the seeds of success, nurturing with innovation, management skills, creativity, teamwork, bright ideas and motivational positive change within students, ensuring a brighter and more enlightened future for generations to come. The same phenomenal vision was adapted by the great leader and our inspiring soul, late Babu Banarsi Das Ji, who firmly believed in providing an open opportunity to the young generation for developing their abilities and to build their career as world-class professionals with broad-based foundation, in-depth knowledge, and grooming them as versatile personality to meet the challenges of today's global economy. This generous legacy was taken forward by his visionary son and our founder chairman, late Shri Akhilesh Das Gupta Ji, who realized the need for quality technical and professional education for the overall growth and upliftment of the masses and progress of the city. He stood by his generous thought to believe the students as his own children and give them what they actually deserve. His vision came into reality, and thus BBD was founded in the year 1998, through which the torch for higher professional education was lit in Lucknow.
लेकिन जैसा मैंने कहा, बच्चों एक अच्छा छात्र बनने के लिए एक अच्छा इंसान भी बनना पड़ता है, अच्छा दोस्त बनना पड़ता है, अच्छा बेटा बनना पड़ता है, अपना और अच्छा बेटी, अच्छी माँ, अच्छा पिता बनना पड़ता है। भाई मैं तो जो हूँ, मेरे 2 बच्चे नहीं हैं, सागर और सोना ही मेरे बच्चे नहीं हैं, यहाँ 25,000 बच्चे जो हैं वो सब मेरे बच्चे, सब मेरे बच्चे। और वो जो 1 लाख बच्चे यहाँ से पढ़ के गए हैं, वो 1 लाख बच्चे भी मेरे बच्चे।
Since 1998, BBD is striving hard to educate students in a way that transforms them into leaders who can make a difference in the world. We aim to impart futuristic and high-quality technical, management and medical education to young and talented Indian and international students. BBD strived to become the front-runner in the field of education in India by grooming and nurturing the best talent, providing them a platform where they can strengthen and grow their basic skills and build their career as world-class professionals. BBD has provided a platform to students by setting up world-class infrastructure and facilities for sports, recreation, cultural and personality development. In the blink of an eye, 25 years have passed since BBD's inception, marked by a remarkable journey. Thousands of students have flourished into success stories, creating a legacy of excellence. The noticeable alumni, our torchbearers of knowledge, stand as shining examples. Great mega events have been the heartbeat of this institution. These events brought many laurels with victories, accolades, and uncountable memories, achieved big milestones, leaving an unforgettable mark on our educational scenario. As we celebrate 25 years, the spirit of achievement and the pursuit of excellence continue to thrive at BBD Educational Group.